Hello, my crypto family. Welcome back to the Crypto Show. Alright, what if I told you that the PEP, yes, that frog turned from $1 into $242 in 2024? Yes, you heard that right. And simple meme coin outperformed entire sectors. But let's be real right now. PEP's moment has passed, guys. Now, a new force is rising from Ethereum layer 2, and it's not just another meme. Right now, it's a Pepe Ascension, and it's moving right now very, very fast. Let's dive in before this Pepe Ascension rocket takes off.
I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not your financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investments. In 2024, PEP delivered 242x, $100 in, $24,200 out. Wild, guys, isn't it? Now Ethereum is rising again and the layer 2 ecosystems are exploding. That's right now the Pepe Ascension steps in. A new layer 2 frog coin riding the same parabolic momentum, but still early. This is just a second PEP right now, it's a PEP with upgrades. And it's on Ethereum layer 2. That's gas fees down, speed up and ice everywhere, guys, believe me, because right now this is on the fire. Right now in the pre-sale over here, I raised over $7 million. Current price is still low, namely $0.20101. And also, guys, we have a rumored launch price of $3. Potential upside is more than 300x right now in this moment. They have already confirmed CX listings, guys. You can guys check it out over here on the X, namely Twitter, as you can see, such as a Coinbase, Bybit, Kraken, Maxi, and other biggest CXs out there. Also, guys, right now we have a bonus of 30%, as you can see right now, if you buy the PEP Ascension right now, namely if you get in right now, because this exclusive deal won't last too long, guys. As you can see, 30% bonus, guys, for every new buy right now. This is really massive. The momentum is deniable. This isn't a maybe. If you're still watching, guys, you're almost late right now on a PEP Ascension. Also, right now we had a media buzzing right now about a PEP Ascension, as you can see over here. For example, on a CryptoViz over here. Also, guys, when searching it on a Google, you can see, guys, we have biggest crypto portals out there, such as a Web3 Wire, Benzinga, Incolink, and other biggest crypto portals out there. For example, this one says over here, could a PEP Ascension right now become a meme coin powerhouse? Over here emphasizing, guys, all the features right now for the PEP Ascension. As well, guys, what is right now really standing out this project from other projects right now, and why is it so hot in today's moment, I would say. And we have a couple of reasons, guys, why we need to get in right now. Definitely, guys, check it out. This will be found in the description box down below. Over here, as you can see on the ecolink.com, you can guys check out the eco, and also, guys, you can see all the details about PEP Ascension launch and other really important things. Also, guys, beside that, you can see over here on the X and Twitter, when you search, guys, for the PEP Ascension, namely is the PEAP is the ticker of the token, you can see, guys, that right now everything is called, guys, and tons of people, guys, the best portals over here, the best are talking about right now a Pepe Ascension, and of course that's telling us something that right now they had a big interest from the crypto whales out there, and for the crypto, I would say the most powerful crypto people out there. Definitely, guys, search it over here, Pepe Ascension, just over here on X Twitter, and see with your eyes what I'm talking about. Also, right now they have massive community, what you can also check out for yourself. Over here you can see Pepe Ascension right now. I am already following this massive community, almost 11,000 people, because right now, as you can see, Pepe Ascension pre-sale is the gem with 1,000 and more than that X potential, guys. As you can see on that way, you can stay updated and informed everything what is happening with the project. Also, you can join over here at Telegram, as you can see, in big engage with discussions and with some great people, I would say right now. Feel that great community over here. When everyone's talking about a coin and it hasn't launched right now yet, that's your shot. Don't overthink it, guys. Of course, do your own research, but as you can see with your eyes, Pepe Ascension is something different right now. Because right now, on Pepe Ascension, we have a massive features, guys, such as that right now, one more time, they're built on Ethereum layer 2. That means low gas, high speed. Also, right now, we can get 5% referral cashback for bringing friends. I'll show that in a couple of seconds. Also, one more time, 30%, guys, on a new buys. And right now, also meme coin launcher. That's something really amazing, as you can see over here. That's coming right now soon via PEPPad, as you can see over here with your own eyes. Overall, guys, you can visit over here the pepascension.com. One more time, we'll have a description box down below, and check it for yourself, all the benefits from this massive ecosystem. Overall, right now, this is more than just a hype, it's an ecosystem, whole ecosystem, and it's what separates long-term plays from a quick flips. Alright, over here you can see guys already is done, and how to buy, as you can see, just click over here in the top of the website and you can see guys the six simple steps over here how to get in. After that, guys, come over here on the website, as you can see, namely in the top of the website, you can see that the app, and on that way, guys, use those steps and see how you can get in really, really easily. Right now, as you can see, when you take a look over here on Cashback 5% at the top of the website, when you click on it, over here right now, this will be your invite link, guys. Just guys, right now, copy this link over here, and after that, guys, just share it to your friends, and right now, really enjoy this massive community. The first of all, guys, so you can generate this link, you need to connect your wallets. I have did it already in my previous videos. You can go to my channel and check it out, but overall it's really easily. Right now, guys, you can grab your 5% bonus before it drowns us all, I would say. Well, right now you can see that the Pepe Ascension is something different, and when you wrap it up, Pepe Ascension already pumped. Yes guys, Pepe already pumped, Ethereum is rising, and layer 2s are next. Pepe Ascension right now is right in the middle of it with $7 million raised already and just 5 days left before launch. Remember that, guys. This is a last chance to, I would say, to get in below listing, of course, if you have an interest or something like that. This is not a financial, guys, just my take and educational purposes. You need to do your own research, guys, before you invest your money. You know it already. I would say repeat it in my every video. I'm always with my disclaimer, but guys, I can only tell my opinion because right now the Pepe Ascension is something different. So guys, after that, leave me thoughts in the comment section down below. Please check on the description box down below and smash that like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot. That was a crypto show, and I'll catch you in the next video.